Oh, this is ridiculous. Okay, this is already in the box. Now, wait a minute. I can't win. Wow. That's why I filmed this. It's just falling out the box. Oh my God. That's why I filmed this, just to make sure that this company wouldn't think I wasn't being legitimate about, where is my hay? Wow, they all broke up. That's crazy. Where's the hay? I see this don't even have a, and that's why I recorded this. Where's my hay? I guess that's it. No, that goes on the y'all. Okay, so I got a box full of stuff. It's like the, it's unbelievable. And that is why I recorded this, just for this reason right here. Because I didn't want nobody to think that I was this. Is that the hay? I don't even know. Okay. I guess, wait. I don't even know. But the stuff I came out broke up. And y'all can see it's supposed to say, hey y'all. I can't. I can win this thing. Pieces are in the bottom of the box. Just broke up. I don't know. Okay, Craft Outlet. It don't work for me.